Want to check if your iPhone is original or fake? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Here, you want to tap on the general option, then find the option of about and tap on that. Here you want to look for the model number. If it starts with M, it's a brand new iPhone purchase directly from Apple. If it starts from F, it's a refurbished device. If it starts with N, it's a replacement unit given by Apple after a repair. Next, you want to check the serial number. From the same About page, you want to copy this. Press and hold on it and then tap on the copy option. Now type in checkcoverage.apple.com and press enter. Now go ahead and enter your serial number over here. Then tap on the submit option. Here you see the official purchase and coverage details. If your iPhone shows up there, then it's original. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.